to the Man Cave in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. We are experiencing what is a bit of an anomaly in 2020, and that is a clear, sunny day, little windy, about 68 degrees for you Fahrenheit lovers, which I'm guessing is what would that be, 12-ish, 13-ish for you metric lovers. But we're trying the GoPro 8 out today with the Media Mod, and we're going to take a ride around on the 2017 Aprilia Tuono, aka Tony Thunder. And I've made a little change on it. We'll talk about that later on. But let's see if this lash up, as we always do, there's always a little bit of a warm up here. Let's see if this lash up is working. Okay, test number 2. I've got the gear on, the helmet and the jacket with the camera. Can you see yourself in there? Can you see yourself? There's the motorcycle, our motorcycle of choice today, because we're going to be taking it pretty easy. I do not want to be that guy that ends up in some kind of an issue with the way the authorities are cracking down. So, and we're just, as I say, we're just going to do a little local ride around here. So, just a test. Let's see if it works. Again, can you see yourself in there? All right, we are back in action. Again, can you see yourself in there? And we've done our good deeds. I won't give all of the details of those good deeds away, except to say one of them involved lemonade. Yes, and I don't mean anything with spirits. Just regular, good old-fashioned, like Grandma made it, lemonade. Hey, raise your hands if anybody watching this had a grandma who could cook. Much to the chagrin of a lot of mothers who spent their lives trying to catch up with that. All right, let's fire this thing up, and we're just going to do a little neighborhood tour. Not quite like we did before. We're actually going to go outside the grounds of the vaunted Santa Luz. I love the way that starts up. 2 years later, I still love it. Okay, I never know whether to keep these in or not, but the reality is I've not ever yet downtown San Diego.